challenge,
furnish,
establish,
intellectual, qualification,
appearance,
aspect, liquid, lad,
apply,
exterior,
preference,
elbow,
discipline,
thrill,
allegiance,
addition,
triumph, hostage, loaf,
applicable, motion,
diploma, contrast,
trend,
honorable,
honorable,
freelance, appendix,
objection,
inflation,
substantial,
hasty,
interpret,
fraction, rectangle, owl, denote, editor,
fruitful,
startle,
inlet, system,
concede,
dictate, lame, exhaust, stiff,
pinch,
pants, remnant,
projector,
torrent,
crisp,
tag,
duration,
dealer,
incident,
zeal, rhythm,
educate, overlook, shear,
kidnap,
propaganda,
prescribe, cape, solo,
neglect,
quantify, faulty,
eliminate,
upright, commemorate,
reproach, dilute, sane, lease,
browse,
tentative, seam,
highway,
alter, manipulate, accuracy,
descendant,
sting,
linguistic,
outbreak, brochure,
enormous,
exclude,
spin,
brutal, howl,
network,
dynamic,
dynamical,
swan,
rigorous, technology, wax, solidarity,
slaughter,
pit,
decay, prey,
grand,
booth,
beware,
occasion, numerous,
element,
nursery,
worship,
dental, dense, productivity,
valve, abuse, circular, revive,
disguise,
deny,
huddle,
cellar,
namely,
undertake,
instrumental,
generate, threat,
manual,
converge,
default,
fabulous,
inhabit,
constant,
prosperity,
siege, handwriting,
conduct, lever, blend, ample, preside,
psychology,
rash,
radical,
inventory,
pillar,
grip,
antenna,
sip,
devise,
bold,
highly, stadium,
diffuse,
negligible,
graph,
tile,
jail,
jail,
segregate,
invasion,
precedent, critical,
excursion,
commit, integrate, crash, cozy,
boundary,
peep, conductor, halt,
aisle,
intrigue,
stoop, cater,
inertia, deviate,
drawer, closet,
deadly,
luggage,
plausible,
vice, underneath,
blur, percentage,
nucleus,
ambiguous,
crust,
interference,
regardless,
terror, shelter,
lick,
lest,
confine,
textile,
grieve,
provision, contradict,
infectious,
intelligible,
supplement, propel, appall,
appall,
dormitory,
drain,
portrait,
stationary, expand,
spade,
visual, vocal,
attribute,
occurrence, laptop,
attach,
arch,
available,
compound,
gown,
underestimate,
vague, locomotive, tremendous,
deprive, affirm, petrol,
seal, confidence,
simultaneous,
specimen, audience,
collision, constitute,
defer,
headquarters,
alert,
plentiful,
congress,
foremost,
arouse, interact, utter, chill, yell,
tomb,
describe,
keen,
straightforward,
advisable,
fiber,
fiber,
dedicate,
stall,
rectify,
resign,
or, merchant,
royalty, innumerable, verge, prosperous,
foam,
veteran,
feature,
monarch,
novelty,
junction, principle, thrive,
combination,
splash, synthesis, deteriorate,
confer, miracle,
limp,
consent,
abnormal, mischief, introduction,
colonial,
efficient, benefit, bosom,
solar, dissolve, semiconductor, arrange, orderly,
meantime, reptile,
rag, tuition,
heave,
enthusiasm,
pope,
defendant,
edible, supervise,
likewise,
plea,
reclaim, thorough,
trunk,
historic,
fitting,
cashier, sober,
obsolete,
navy, indulge,
funeral,
mobilize, mobilize,
feminine,
combat,
embryo, herald,
scorn, tragedy,
posture,
relate,
mode, institute,
augment,
sequence,
obligation,
reckless, detector,
maneuver,
maneuver,
decline, mock,
extract,
linen,
ounce,
volcano, flourish,
previous,
positive, string, frost,
plateau,
abide, personnel, telegraph, dome, encounter, patron,
scheme,
thermal,
pursue,
acquaint,
worthwhile,
lumber,
majesty,
repertoire,
aggressive,
compensate, interrupt,
obstruction,
fragile, echo, agony, negotiate, propose,
immigrant,
invade,
nominate, wisdom, phase, specialist,
definite, subscribe,
carbohydrate, contrary, numerical,
junior, overhaul,
discourse,
sturdy, fuss,
undo,
axe,
axe,
majority,
physical,
possess, buffet,
purchase,
permeate,
steep,
calendar,
dam,
narrative,
worldwide,
altitude,
vulgar,
cripple, liable, farewell, equality,
panel,
immune,
pamphlet,
federal, snap,
indifferent,
ferry,
transistor,
whatsoever,
fancy,
recur, surroundings,
slender,
linger, classical,
rain, scale,
suspend,
exert,
butterfly,
supreme,
conservative,
liberal, peanut,
biology,
satisfactory,
wink,
multiple, trumpet,
hijack,
sensible,
nurture,
selection,
air,
intervene, vacuum, literacy,
module,
sensitive, domestic,
brand, speculate,
persecute,
numb, slice,
undergo,
atmosphere,
extinguish,
canal, intact, revenge,
lean,
engine, conjunction,
clutch,
hostess, temperament,
economic,
mate,
curl,
pastime, disappear,
pact,
wander, compartment,
comic, imaginative,
liner,
spectrum,
dash,
symmetry,
bail, instability,
hay,
embassy,
quote,
distill,
harsh,
ambitious,
betray,
drawback,
revise,
norm, psychiatry,
compulsory, migrate, absence, error,
bound, withdraw,
casualty, blunder,
incentive,
mold,
mold,
drift,
spacious,
precious, grind,
vessel,
representative,
detain,
literary, setback,
moreover,
canon,
prototype,
hormone,
petroleum,
revolt,
disclose, hawk,
amid, perfume,
expedition,
sparkle,
celebrity,
yawn,
overhead,
sketch, drag, relativity, parade,
performance, cherry,
timber,
blaze, guitar,
conservation,
invalid, intimate,
vulnerable, collective,
predict,
scholar, cliff,
academy,
illusion,
soar, portfolio, dose,
deposit,
displacement,
obscure,
hurl,
shatter,
clarity, dispose,
hemisphere, profound,
source, restrict,
formal,
deem, twist,
constitution,
qualitative,
reservoir, absorb,
shutter, staff,
retention, radiant,
briefcase,
lavatory,
resemble,
moist,
climax,
enrich,
velocity, loyalty, authority,
balcony, complex, restless,
publication,
herb,
glamour, laser,
maintenance, allocate, ashamed, series,
stern,
demonstrate,
mechanical, slam, flap,
deserve,
levy,
former,
quantitative, erroneous,
privilege,
astronomy, cassette,
gene,
deficit,
obstacle, course, digest, leak,
backward,
pedal,
galaxy,
warehouse, misfortune,
landlord, means,
pilgrim,
esteem,
humid, kindergarten, ally,
rouse,
manufacture,
detach, administration, inherit,
justify,
phenomenon,
insult, orientation, guidance,
schedule,
vein, jury,
void,
offspring,
explode,
friction, loosen,
accurate,
surplus,
doze,
moisture, initial,
poverty,
siren, contaminate,
emit,
clasp,
bias,
emphasize,
emphasize, bibliography,
inward,
folk,
tribute,
exquisite,
senator,
pant,
appreciate, wit,
contract, dim, hardship,
residence, inspect,
heal,
undergraduate,
rim, accord,
signature,
trace, transparent, meditation, statement,
beneath,
substitute, bureau, compute,
whistle,
irony,
indication,
extensive,
procedure,
dazzle,
curriculum,
fantasy,
expertise,
mild, fade, intuition,
fraud,
illustration,
advent, aural,
fame,
harden,
shuttle,
intermittent, tunnel,
metal, reproduce,
cosmic,
motel,
remain,
surgery,
mob,
stereotype,
software,
vocation,
petition,
slope, die, skull,
accordingly,
herd,
stride,
impose, discourage,
penalty,
charity, translation,
fatigued, crack,
agent,
transfer,
outlook,
deceit,
irrigate,
grease,
pistol,
reverse, definition,
curiosity, devil,
escort, vital,
associate,
inference,
fragment,
flesh,
embed,
token,
swamp,
feet,
robust, stake,
vanish, sudden,
surrender,
endurance,
jolly,
stripe,
forehead,
accomplish,
piston, verbal,
submit, rally,
thigh,
rotary, switch,
mixture,
passerby,
imperative,
canteen, wrench, vaccine, massacre, conclude, intricate, feudal, typical,
regulation,
condense,
clumsy,
fascinate, capture,
focus,
spray, property,
lofty,
staple,
domain,
desolate,
coach, console,
ruthless,
harness,
orient, enlarge, powerful, habitat, opponent, retrospect,
tone,
smuggle,
shrewd,
terminal,
swell,
soar,
torment,
architecture,
construct,
promising, moss,
cognitive,
detective,
barrel,
fertilizer, fertilizer,
reception,
extend, exempt,
grief, enforce, female, decent,
provoke,
adult, whereas, tissue,
vision,
originate, temple, urge,
planet,
hinge,
slack, chaos,
genuine,
weep, costume, fascinated,
surround, timid, spark,
engineering,
limitation,
prime,
envisage,
dioxide,
agreeable, authentic, highlight, ventilate, automation, overturn,
durable, pulse,
biography,
provided,
designate,
plaintiff,
avert,
hover,
vivid,
overthrow,
display,
cube,
offensive, amend,
pirate,
fume,
amaze,
advantage,
click,
security,
fourth,
ensure,
diminish,
tempt,
saucer,
giggle, mosaic,
prevail,
transform,
author,
enlighten,
nuisance,
claw,
discount, issue, replace, consistent,
veil,
contrive,
judicial,
tramp, legal,
erosion,
complicate,
versus. The S.
fasten, perplex, sweet,
inferior,
coordinate,
underground, bounce, realm, undermine,
Organize.
organize,
evidence,
cardinal,
priest, root,
lantern,
log, concession,
loop, roar,
ultraviolet, abdomen,
memorandum,
foundation, embarrass,
jar,
approve,
novel, involve,
emperor,
cathedral,
analogy,
texture,
resist,
illegal,
administer, elaborate,
deaf,
bronze,
scrape,
missionary,
illustrate,
being,
quest,
Catholic, convey,
recorder,
what,
Criticize.
criticize,
dump,
assurance,
metropolitan,
lubricate,
blush,
nightmare,
compress,
Favorable.
favorable,
loose,
ornament,
overlap,
senate,
taboo, eclipse,
weary,
genre, industrial, spectacular,
Sympathize. Sympathize.
refresh,
degenerate,
imitation,
persevere,
import,
affection,
compromise,
export, invaluable,
organic,
underlying, maiden, gasoline,
gasoline,
auction,
state,
equivalent, pretext,
eligible,
liquor,
hell, characteristic,
literally, frontier,
dusk,
cereal, reward,
garment,
grope,